Imagine for a moment that the experiences you've had in this lifetime are only a small fraction of your soul's true journey. What if the key to unlocking your full potential lies in memories long forgotten, memories from past lives? The idea that we carry wisdom, unresolved karma, or deep soul connections from previous incarnations might seem like a mystery, but for those who've tapped into these hidden layers, it's a powerful truth. In this guide, we're diving into 5 transformative techniques that can help you access those past life memories and bring clarity to the present. Most people never stop to think about why they're drawn to certain places, people, or even time periods. Could these connections be more than coincidence? Through the practices we'll explore, you'll discover how simple tools like dream records, meditation, and crystals can serve as windows into your soul's history. These aren't just abstract theories, they're real methods you can apply today to begin unraveling the tapestry of your many lifetimes. The ability to remember your past lives doesn't have to remain out of reach. You'll be surprised by how accessible these spiritual techniques are, and how they might just unlock answers you've been seeking all along. Ready to start your journey? Let's dive into the first method and begin your exploration of who you've been across the ages. 1. Dream records. Dreams, often elusive, can act as a direct channel to the subconscious, where past life memories may reside. By keeping a detailed dream journal, one begins to notice recurring symbols, places, or even faces that seem oddly familiar. These fragments, although seemingly random, might hold the key to unlocking memories from previous incarnations. Some people find that specific patterns emerge over time, pointing to locations or relationships they've never experienced in this life, but which feel inexplicably significant. To get the most out of this process, it's essential to record dreams immediately after waking. The mind tends to lose its grip on these fleeting images within moments, so capturing them in a journal preserves the details. If a location stands out, try researching it. Often, these dreamscapes are not just creations of the imagination but reflections of past experiences. For instance, you might dream of a foreign land you've never visited in this life, only to find that the geography aligns with real-world locations tied to ancient civilizations. This practice isn't just for the casual dreamer. By taking it a step further, you can enhance recall with spiritual techniques, such as setting an intention before sleep. By focusing on questions like, what can my past life memories reveal tonight, the subconscious may be more inclined to open the door to those hidden layers of the soul. This, combined with recognizing the patterns in your dream records, is one of the simplest ways to start understanding your previous lifetimes. But dreams are only the beginning. 2. Regression meditation. Regression meditation is a powerful tool that taps into deep layers of the subconscious, offering a way to uncover past life memories. It's more than just sitting quietly, it's about entering a state of relaxation so profound that you can step beyond the boundaries of your current existence. By visualizing yourself walking through a doorway or descending a staircase, you guide your mind into experiences from a previous incarnation. This technique often reveals hidden memories or emotions tied to past lives that are still influencing your current path. For those new to meditation, it's beneficial to start with a guided session led by an experienced practitioner. These professionals know how to structure the meditation to help you navigate through different timelines safely and smoothly. Through their guidance, many people have reported seeing vivid images of themselves in different eras, wearing clothes they've never worn in this life, or even speaking languages that feel foreign but strangely familiar. Such experiences can shed light on your current behaviors or unexplained affinities. However, you don't need to rely on a practitioner forever. Once comfortable with the process, you can perform regression meditations on your own. Set aside a quiet space, focus on your breathing, and visualize a doorway that leads to another life. With patience and consistency, the veil between this life and past ones may begin to lift. Past life regression is a spiritual technique to remember past lives, offering a direct connection to who you've been before. And yet, there are other ways to access these memories. 3. Use of crystals. Crystals have long been used as tools for spiritual growth, and certain stones are believed to amplify intuition and unlock past life memories. Amethyst and labradorite, in particular, are known for their ability to open the third eye, the center of spiritual insight. When used during meditation, these crystals can enhance your connection to deeper realms, making it easier to tap into past life experiences. Holding an amethyst in your hand while meditating or placing it near your bed while you sleep may allow forgotten memories to resurface in your dreams or during quiet moments of reflection. Labradorite, with its shimmering play of colors, is another powerful stone for recalling past life memories. Its energy works to awaken the spiritual body, clearing away mental fog and connecting you to hidden layers of your existence. When placed on the third eye chakra during meditation, labradorite can stimulate visions, offering glimpses of previous lifetimes. Some people report sudden flashes of being in different eras, wearing unfamiliar clothing, or even seeing themselves in relationships that explain the nature of their current connections. If you're looking to deepen this practice, consider creating a personal crystal grid. Placing these stones in specific patterns around your meditation space can amplify their energy and focus your intent. You could also wear crystal jewelry daily to keep their vibrations close to you. These tools don't just help with past life memories, they open the door to greater spiritual awareness, blending seamlessly with other techniques to recall who you once were. But crystals are just one piece of the puzzle. 4. Deep soul bonds. There are times when you meet someone, and the connection is instant, so strong that it feels like you've known them for lifetimes. These deep soul bonds are often seen as signs of past lives, where your souls have crossed paths before. Whether it's a friendship that clicks immediately or a relationship that feels both comforting and familiar, these connections may hold clues to your previous incarnations. Some relationships, especially those filled with unexplainable intensity, may indicate unresolved karma or lessons carried over from another life. Many people find that these bonds aren't always positive. You might feel an immediate dislike or discomfort around someone you've never met, which could be a sign of a conflict from a past life. Understanding these deep connections can offer valuable insights into your current relationships, helping you resolve conflicts or embrace certain dynamics with greater awareness. If a relationship feels heavy with unspoken tension, exploring the possibility of a past life connection might bring clarity to why things are the way they are. To explore these bonds more deeply, try journaling about the people in your life that evoke strong emotions. Ask yourself, why do I feel this way around them? Could this connection be rooted in a past life? The more you dig into these feelings, the more likely it is that patterns will emerge, shedding light on your soul's journey across different lifetimes. But understanding these bonds is just one step toward awakening to your past lives. 5. Third Eye Awakening. The third eye is often considered the gateway to higher dimensions and spiritual insight, and it plays a crucial role in accessing past life memories. Positioned at the center of the forehead, the third eye is linked to intuition, vision, and perception beyond the physical. By focusing on this area during meditation, you can unlock hidden memories stored deep within your soul's history. Activating the third eye is like shining a light into forgotten corners of your consciousness, bringing forth images, feelings, or even entire lifetimes that have shaped who you are today. To awaken the third eye, many turn to meditation techniques that involve deep breathing and concentration on the forehead. Imagine drawing energy up through your body and focusing it on this spiritual center. Some practitioners use visualizations, such as a glowing orb or an eye slowly opening, to strengthen their focus. Over time, you may experience flashes of insight, visions, or even vivid scenes from past lives. These moments can feel like sudden bursts of clarity, offering glimpses into experiences long forgotten. Using tools like crystals, such as labradorite or amethyst, can further enhance third eye activation. Placing one of these crystals on your forehead during meditation amplifies the energy and accelerates the awakening process. Regular practice can gradually open the portal to spiritual records, allowing past life memories to flow freely into your conscious mind. As you continue exploring this technique, you might find that the past feels closer than ever, and the mysteries of your previous incarnations start to unravel. Now that you've discovered these powerful methods to remember your past lives, it's time to put them into practice. Each technique opens a new door to understanding your soul's journey, offering insights that can transform how you see yourself and your relationships. What if the answers to your greatest questions about life, love, and purpose are hidden within these past life memories? Will you take the leap to uncover them? The more you explore, the more you'll understand why certain experiences feel so familiar, and how they can guide you forward. Are you ready to dive deeper? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Have you already tried some of these methods, or do you feel a connection to one in particular? Let's keep the conversation going. Your journey is just beginning, and there's so much more to discover. Remember, the universe has a way of revealing exactly what you need when you're ready to receive it. Subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss out on more insights like these. Continue expanding your consciousness by watching the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.